Okay, guys, this is like my third time recording this. So I shared a bundle from scrapbook.com, and I'm going to show you guys how the little die cuts came out. It's a lot of paper piecing. It came with this die set that paper pieces all these pieces. Look at how cute the duck is. The goose is. I really wanted it for the goose and the little rabbit that sits in the teacup. I don't really like my color choices, but I think I'm going to play with this one again. I just die cut all this in white and using my Copic markers to color. There's a little chickie. So that little bundle, I'm going to link it down below, guys. It also came with a stamp set. And it didn't come with the coordinating die, but there is one available. I don't think I want to invest in it, though. I just fussy cut and stamped. Look how cute the swan image is. And then that paper piecing one came with this little flower as well. And then I used the stamp. And I used Erica's new, Scrap Diva Designs new A2 envelope. And I just embossed in white. And it came with that paper pad. This paper pad's so pretty. So I used the paper pad with this and this. So I just been trying to use the stuff, guys, that I've been buying. Haven't had the time. So I had to make the time to use some of the stuff I've been purchasing. And this is another scrapbook.com purchase. It's the postage sheets. It may be sold out. But if anything's sold out, guys, and you're interested, make sure that you set a reminder, because they will let you know when it's back in stock. And then I didn't know what to create with this stuff. I'm like, I want to make something. So I decided to make a card. And I got these cards from Recollections, Michael's. It's a huge pack of them. They're embossed hearts. And so I just took my It's a Girl and I just swiped across the hearts to bring them out. Look how pretty, you guys. So beautiful. So it's never too late for, that's what I love about Valentine's Day shopping and crafting, is that hearts are always. So I took these. You couldn't really see these details. So I folded them like that. And then I went across my ink pad like so to get all the details here. So this is kind of how I want to. I feel like this die set makes the perfect card, guys. Look at how cute. This is how I kind of want to arrange it. I don't know. Should I do this one this way? No. I think this way. I don't know. Something like that. And then I definitely want to use the swans here. We can do the Just For You here. I just want to make a quick card, guys, because my phone storage has just been acting nuts. Okay. And then this is a bow from that Charming Medallions set that I shared with you guys. It has some beautiful bows on there, guys. So I know I want to put that there. I got the Just For You. And then we just need something for these. What are we going to put? I could do the flowers and put like a cute little gem center maybe. Oh, I forgot we have this one too. I could also put that. That's pretty, guys. Yeah, let's go with that. I think I like that. All right, so I want to pop up some stuff on foam. And I'm trying to think if I want to do that with... Yeah, let's do it with the postage stamp. Let me get it together so I don't make this video too long. By the way, these are my favorite scissors for fussy cutting and cutting this foam tape too. I got them as free gifts. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with my free gifts. They give the best free gifts. All right, let's do this last one. And then also this foam roll I've been really loving. I always just grab one because I'm always buying other things. But I kind of go through this a lot, especially if I'm making cards. Okay. So let's go ahead and place this stuff. I know this is probably a really simple card. I feel like I should ink the edges more. Okay, so this last one, let's just put it right here like this. Oh, I think I had this sideways. I'm like, why is this not looking right to me? Yeah, I wanted this like this. Let's arrange this one. Maybe I should do it this way. Like right there. Let's just go for it. So yeah, I know this is probably a really simple card, but I just took the time to do all this fussy cutting and stamping, and I just really wanted to make something. So I figured that I will turn the camera on and create with you guys. Look at how pretty those swans are. I really want to put more dimension, but I'm not. Let's do